Hey, this is Georgia Roswell from Two Artists in a Tesla, and today is the big day where I'm going to be packing our new Model Y, less than a week old, with 39 pieces of art. Can I do it? I think so. I'm a really good packer. So I've got all of my work spread out here. Not only am I packing for an art show, but after we drop off the art at Pearson Lake Art Center, then we'll be turning our Tesla into a camper. So I have to think about both aspects of this trip. But first, packing the art. So one thing that I love is artwork archives, and you can check it out online. I keep all of my artwork on there, sizes, prices, where it's been, where it's going. And so I printed out these exhibition inventory sheets so that I can check off all of my artwork as it goes in. I also sent these to the curator, so it makes me look really professional. Thank you, Artwork Archives. So artists, check it out. It'll make your life so much easier. All right, well, I'm looking around here and the moment's come. I got the Tesla outside our studio, put up a table with some orange traffic cones so nobody would back into me. And I also have my Laramie County Library summer reading shirt on. I am my own human traffic cone today, nice and bright. So let's get started. I'm going to put my life rings, which is a class about telling stories through textiles. So this I made from my mother's clothes. She had passed away 8 years earlier when I made this, and I'm going to be doing a workshop at the Pearson Lake Art Center when I come and pick up my artwork. So I'm going to put these two, they're going to stay at the Art Center as examples. So I'm going to put those on the other side here, and I better protect it. And I got all kinds of stuff in my studio. Fabric, sheets, all stuff that goes into making my art. So I just grabbed a flannel pillowcase, stack those two together. Then I've got a small landscape box. I like to find unusual boxes that are cool looking. And then I'm going to put this one in. That's part of my Be My Guest series. And here is another landscape in a bowl. And I think I got one more landscape in a bowl. I think I can get that in here too. So let me go get that. Marking things off on my inventory sheet as I go. So I think I got all the small art in. Now I'm gonna cover it with sheet because we're gonna go camping, and so we'll use this for camp gear. And a blanket. Not gonna take too many blankets because I think it's gonna be hot in Iowa. And as you Tesla owners know, we got camp mode. We can keep our interior cool or warm depending on what we need. It's an awesome way to camp. So next, the big stuff. Hey, I got Dave here now. He's the other half of Two Artists in a Tesla. He's going to help me wrangle the big pieces. I've got 4 in the Hot Yellowstone series about Yellowstone's fabulous geology. So let's see how this goes. The big guy's going in, and I think I'm going to have this packing business down no problem. Oh, and by the way, I'm wearing Rawhide Studio earrings. That's what Dave does. He makes jewelry out of rawhide. Got his cool bolo on. I always got to wear a pair of rawhide earrings because they're so light. And hey, what's a day without earrings? Bad. So here we go. Let's get started. Oh, and I put all of my pieces in like pockets I make out of old blankets and things like that. So it's reusable. I'm not using a lot of bubble wrap. We got Hot Yellowstone in, no problem. Thanks for helping me, Dave. That's the big heavy stuff. And we'll go back to doing his rawhide jewelry. He's got some wholesale orders to send out. If you're interested in his jewelry, you can go to www.rawhidestudio.com and see what he's got.